Hello, namaste to all. Guys, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome again to another daily dose of knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and spread the word.
Do you know why people say bless you when you sneeze? The answer is when you sneeze, the intrathoracic pressure in your body momentarily increases. This will decrease the blood flow back to the heart. The heart compensates for this by changing its regular heartbeat momentarily to adjust. Also, the heart could momentarily stop.